What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another eyeliner tutorial for you guys with hooded eyes. If you're new and you haven't seen my previous videos, I have a bunch of videos for eyeliner for hooded eyes. Today I have something new for you guys. Let me give you a close-up so I can show you what I mean. So if you don't know what a hooded eye is, it is when the overhanging crease covers some or all of your lid. Now I have a semi-hooded eye, so I still have a little tiny bit of crease left, but God knows, girl, the years are passing and shit is starting to hang. Gravity is winning the fight. And it's all fine and dandy. We have a new technique that's gonna solve it all. Also, the thing about a hooded eye, which I have in common with people with fully hooded eyes, is that I have a long crease. And that crease or that fold extends further than the outer corner of my eye, making it very difficult to try to draw on a straight wing liner. What usually tends to happen when you don't know what you're doing, you draw it on and then you look straight and you're like, wait, it's not straight, it's round. Well, today I'm gonna show you a technique that's gonna help you out. So if you look at this eyeliner, when I relax fully and look at you straight, it looks like a straight eyeliner. But here's the trick. If I tilt my head backwards and lift my lid, you can see it's kind of like in the shape of a bat wing. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And for the ones of you who want to stick around afterwards, I'm also going to show you how I apply my individual lashes like I did today in a very subtle look. It's very easy and I'm going to show you all my techniques for that too. And then for the ones of you who want to stick around even longer, I'm going to show you how I did this base makeup. See, I do a lot of eye looks and most of the times people are like, but why didn't you show us your base makeup? We want to see that too. I have dry skin and this is full coverage and it's non-patchy, non-creasy. No dryness is present in this face look. This video is just jam-packed with great stuff and great tips. And the last thing before we get into the video, if you're new here, my name is Natasha and I want my channels to be a space where we're taking as realistic and true but also fun approach to beauty. So if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, just subscribe, girl. You know what's gonna happen. You're gonna see this video and you're gonna be like, then you're gonna see the next one popping up on your homepage and you're gonna be like, oh, there she is again. Oh, that sounds interesting. I'm gonna watch that. And then it's gonna keep on happening and happening. So you might as well just erase all of that thought process, all that energy, and just subscribe right now. Okay, let's get into the video. So the liner that I'm gonna use is the Isadora Flex Tip Liner in 80 Deep Black. I really like this liner. I like a bunch of them. I'm gonna add all of them in here because I know that this one is not available to everyone. All right, let's get started. We're gonna do what we usually do, which is we're starting from the middle of our eye and then we're going outwards, drawing on a very thin line. Just make it very thin. Okay, so we are going to the end of our crease and we're painting on a dot. So that dot, as usual, is the mark of the furthest that we can go up on our eye. If we go even further, that's going to get swallowed up by our crease and that's going to give us a rounded eyeliner, which is not what we want. We want a straight cutting eyeliner, okay? So we're just going to connect the two like so, and then we're going to extend the liner as long as we want it. Now keep in mind that the longer you make it with this particular technique, the thicker it will be. So I didn't make mine too long because the further I would take it out, the thicker this area would be. So I'm gonna just draw that out. So now I'm just gonna continue on as I usually do with an eyeliner. I'm gonna connect that outer wing into the corner of my eye. So I made that a lot too thick. So I'm just gonna go in and clean that up a little bit with concealer, thinning it out. So what we have going on now, this is just a basically a liner. This is what I did in my first tutorial. So what we're going to do is you're going to look straight forward and you're going to draw a line from the end of your wing into your crease. I'm gonna have to turn a little bit just so you know, but when you're looking at yourself in the mirror, you're looking straight forward. So you're drawing a line from here and in. So you have a little bit of a gap going on right there. And what you're gonna do is you're going to make sure that you have a straight line from right here all the way out. So you're just connecting everything basically. So I'm starting with filling in my lid a little bit. And I'm just building it up as we go until I have a straight line. Yes. What do you guys think? I love it. I am in love. Okay, I'm gonna pop on some mascara and then I'll be back to show you how I apply just a few individual lashes for this look. Okay, back. I have mascara on. Let's do some lashes. The ones that I have today are new and I'm very impressed. These are the Ardell Foam Ink individual lashes, and as you can see, these ones have short, medium, and long. The glue that I'm using is the Duo white/clear one. I'm just going to start with the medium ones. I just popped a little bit of glue on right here. Then I'm gonna grab my tweezers and I'm gonna grab a medium length lash like that, just on the end of the lash. I'm grabbing it. Then I'm dipping it in the glue, just letting that glue dry for a couple of seconds. And then I'm just popping it on my outer corner. I'm not popping it on like on the end, like it's not on the outer corner of my eye. It's a few millimeters in, like so. This time I'm gonna go a little bit further in. I'm putting it next to that first one we did, and then I'm just pressing it in. And I don't know if you can see this on me, but if you look at yourself from below, you're gonna see that how you're placing them and that you're placing them right next to each other. I hope that you can see this. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna grab a short one and I'm gonna place it next to that medium one just to create a nice transition in between my own lashes and those two medium length ones. Oh, there we go. So now my own lashes kind of blend in with those medium ones. Honestly, this was too easy. So I did two short ones just on the inner portion of my eye to kind of fluff up and give some volume to the inner portion. And then I did two medium ones on the outer corner, or two to three ones. And then I did a long one each just on the outer edge. Like it. That was it for the eye look. So if that was what you came for, it is all right if you want to drop out right now. I mean, I wouldn't, but that's just me. So let's get into the base makeup. Right, so I always apply my base makeup with a beauty blender, or this is the Real Techniques brush. I'm actually trying out a new foundation today. This is the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. I'm in the shade F6. I'm thinking this might be a little bit too light for me, but then again, like, I always underestimate. Oh, that is soft. I'm gonna try to scoop this back up because I don't want to waste this much. I think it's so hot in our apartment right now that like product is literally melting. So going in and just blending it with the Real Techniques sponge. I have high hopes for this foundation just because I've never tried a stick foundation before. I haven't tried the Hourglass one. If you have, let me know what you think. This is high coverage and I'm excited to see what it's like because, oh shit, that is white. I'm gonna bronze it up, don't worry. The finish looks really nice. I was a little bit worried that it will look cakey, but it doesn't at all. I'm liking it. Just blending it in to my ear. My new friend, the double chin. It's actually not that new. I would lie if I would say that it was quarantine new. It is not quarantine new. We go a little bit more back than that. I keep on like tapping the screen to fix my focus, but I think it's just the fact that I'm so pale, so the camera finds it difficult to focus on my face, because it's like, is it the wall or is it the face? What's it gonna be? I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C7. FYI, this concealer does make my under eyes dry AF. Then again, I've never tried a high coverage concealer that doesn't make my under eyes look like dry ball sacks. So I have tried concealers that don't, but they don't cover a lot, and this one does. So I try to use a very minimal amount, because the more I put on, the more they look like the dry ball sacks I just referred to. I've never seen a pair of dry ball sacks, but that's what I imagine them looking like. Please, okay, let's go in with bronzer. I had to turn the brightness down because I'm so pale. Sorry. Okay, bronzer, finally. This is the Milk Cream Bronzer in Baked, and I'm gonna go in, girl. I'm gonna go in, and you know why. And I'm probably gonna go in with multiple layers of this. No explanation needed. So that first layer of bronzer definitely put me back to almost my natural color, but I'm gonna go in with another layer just for the sake of my broken self-esteem. Kidding, I don't have broken self-esteem. Well, maybe occasionally, but not all the time. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit better about myself now. It's interesting because, you know, people are like, well, you're one of those people who has like a natural tan all year round. I'm like, bitch, have you seen my legs? Like literal, my legs look like cheese itself. For our blush, because I'm gonna do a little bit of a lippy today, and it's not gonna match my top, but who cares? So since I have eyes going on and I'm gonna have a lippy going on, I'm gonna try to do my blush as discreet as possible. So this is the Tower 28 cream blush. You've seen it 1,000 times here. It's in, is it Beach Please or Magic Hour? I don't know. I'll link it down below, as I always do. Just popping on kind of that much. As you can tell, I'm using my fingers with applying a lot of my products. I actually usually do with bronzer as well, but today I had to use so much that I didn't feel like spending the time blending it all out with my fingers. I just feel like with me having my dry ass skin, the warmth of my fingers helps a lot. Highlighter. Highlighter, another cream product. One of my all-time favorites, the RMS Champagne Rosé Luminizer. I love the RMS products. I've been using them for years now. I know some people have an issue with them because they're all natural, meaning they don't have any like lab-made preservatives, which are the good ones. And so a lot of people say that their RMS products expire quickly and start smelling weird quickly, but I've never experienced that. And I've had plenty RMS products and I've had them for a long time and I've never had that issue. And I love these highlighters so much because they're the type of sweaty glow that I appreciate. So, love it. I'm gonna do a lip that I've owned for a very long time. I've had it in my closet, I haven't tried it. This is the Pixi Coral Bang liquid lipstick. Now, as I said, it's not gonna match to my blouse because my blouse is pink, but who cares? I want to feel summer on my face. I want to feel, yes, summer glam when I see my face. So that's why we're gonna do a colored lip. I also very seldom, is that the word? I don't do a colored lip too often, and so I was like, let's switch it up, bitch. Ooh. Oh, totally overlined there. to say. I'm not a huge fan of this color on me right now. But once I get a little bit of like a summer glow tan, I think yes. Right now? It's making my teeth look yellow too. Let's try another layer because it looks a little bit too sheer right now. Well, no, I can't decide. I wish I could have you guys vote right now. Am I a coral lip type of gal? Let me try to get into the mood, alright? Hi, my name's Natasha. I always wear coral lip. I don't believe that shit. What other bright lippies do I have? None. I don't own any bright lippies because I don't wear them. What if we bronzed a little bit more? No, I can't bronze more. I can't bronze. I bronzed enough. I bronzed enough. Maybe just a little bit more. There's just something about this look that I'm not comfortable with. And I think it's the lipstick. Should I put my hair? Yeah. I'm putting the hair back. Okay. Better. Okay. We're done. We're done. We're happy. We're done. Okay. Thank you guys so much for hanging out once again. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was. If it wasn't helpful, I hope it was entertaining. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next one.